Hey, food lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for healthy, quick, and delicious lunchbox ideas, then you're in the right place. Whether you're packing for work, school, or a picnic, I've got some super easy and nutritious lunchbox ideas that are perfect for busy days. Let's jump in. First up, we have a veggie wrap with hummus and avocado. This is such a fresh and filling option. Start with a whole wheat tortilla, spread a generous layer of hummus, and then add your favorite veggies. Think cucumber, carrots, bell peppers, spinach, and cherry tomatoes. Don't forget a few slices of creamy avocado to bring it all together. Roll it up, slice it into bite-sized pieces, and pop it into your lunchbox. It's packed with fiber, healthy fats, and plenty of vitamins. Next, we're making a quinoa salad with grilled chicken and veggies. Quinoa is a protein-packed grain, making it a perfect base for a nutritious salad. To start, cook some quinoa and let it cool. Add grilled chicken breast, cucumber slices, cherry tomatoes, and bell peppers. For some extra crunch, sprinkle on a handful of nuts or seeds. Drizzle your favorite vinaigrette or olive oil, and this easy salad is ready to go. It's a complete meal in one container. For a protein-packed lunch, try these turkey and cheese roll-ups with veggie sticks. Simply take slices of turkey breast and roll them up with a slice of cheese inside. To make it even more fun, add some veggie sticks like carrots, celery, or cucumber on the side for crunch. Pair it with a small serving of hummus or ranch dip for extra flavor. This lunchbox idea is low-carb, high-protein, and so easy to prepare. If you're craving something sweet but healthy, this Greek yogurt parfait with berries and granola is the perfect option. Start by layering Greek yogurt in a jar or container, then add fresh berries like strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. Top it off with a sprinkle of granola for that crunchy texture. You can even add a drizzle of honey or a dash of cinnamon for extra flavor. This is a great snack or dessert option for your lunchbox that's full of probiotics and fiber. For a vegan lunch, try this chickpea salad with lemon tahini dressing. Start by draining and rinsing a can of chickpeas. Then toss them in a bowl with some diced cucumbers, bell peppers, red onion, and cherry tomatoes. For the dressing, mix lemon juice, tahini, olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour it over the salad and give everything a good mix. This salad is packed with plant-based protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making it both filling and nutritious. Now let's get a little fancy with rice paper rolls with shrimp and veggies. Soak rice paper wrappers in warm water until they soften. Then, add a few cooked shrimp, sliced avocado, shredded carrots, cucumber, and some fresh mint leaves. Roll them up tightly and pack them in your lunchbox with a side of peanut or soy dipping sauce. These rolls are super fresh, light, and full of protein, perfect for a healthy lunch.